Hi, Jabawe. Nice to see you again, huh? And thank you for everyone. Nice to see me come back, yeah. And then here I gotta say very thank you, and still in the new year, so happy new year again, okay? And what is today I want to introduce you is a very traditional Taiwanese street food called the霸丸. For this recipe, we need this is seafood meat, tapioca peel, and I use 400 G. Then you sink in the water, you gotta over them. Look, then they keep on the sink, and later you just pour the water out, okay, and keep them. And also we need the sweet potato flour. In the filling, we needed the pork mince and some dried mushroom, Chinese mushroom, okay, and the bamboo. And the dry shrimp and this dried onion, yeah. This bamboo I boil them up, okay, because sometimes you don't know if you use the uncooked one, hard to cook, so I already boil them. For the sauce, I know everybody have a different kind of recipe, but for me this is the best, okay. I use the vegetarian oyster sauce and the chili sauce, 甜辣酱 Taiwan 的 I find it out the emails is quite good, and the ketchup, yeah, it just mix them up. The first thing we gotta make the dough, right? And this dough is very easy way, 是懒惰的方式而且一定会做成功，不会失败的。我用这个西谷米的，然后泡在水里然后经过差不多2个小时以后，然后你把它已经都蓬起来了，对不对？然后 they already make it bigger, then all sink in the water, then you just need to pour the water away. Now you just squish them, and after this sweet potato flour, 这个番薯粉你一直加到它可以做成饼皮 ，until you can make it a dough, okay? So now you just head them out, just like when you make any dough, yeah, like you do the 包子 or 馒头. Yeah, when you need like a properly dough, yeah, that shiny, not sticky on your hand, I mean it's your dough is ready. This pork mince, you just need to stir fry them 1/3, 1/3, okay. And this dry shrimp all in, and the mushroom in. Have a stir fry them. I leave the raw meat because later they can join together. That way is make it like in Taiwan the霸丸. The inside you always fill them filling all step together. Bamboo. Okay, some soy sauce. Some sugar. And that's dry onion. Don't ask me how much this and that. Just follow your hobby. You like it. If you like more pork, then you make more pork. If you like more mushroom, then more mushroom or bamboo. I think bamboo is my kind of favorite. Okay. Okay then. Now I'll put tiny bit of fish sauce. That will make the flavor even better. And deliver some white pepper, okay? That is a traditional Taiwanese spicy, the white pepper. now it can smell so good. Yeah, especially is that dry onion. It's very good. 油葱酥哦，是霸王里面的那个馅一定要的。好了。About this roast meat, it do need a little bit soy sauce. Turn out it, yeah. And then white pepper. Just make them have a flavor. And tiny bit of sugar and have a squash. You need to keep going to do this way, huh? Make them more sticky. And also don't forget the mushrooms water. Just tiny bit. Don't use too much, but打水哈，打一点点水进去，让它变成了比较会拉筋会出来，然后这样子的话，它等一下才会粘在一起哈。好了，你现在把两个把它混在一起。Okay, now still them mixed together.
And this all gets cooked later in steaming.
Yeah. No, it's just then later this filling can step together very good. Okay, 他们才会像那个普通店里卖的霸王一样，它里面的馅哈都是可以成为一坨哈。In Taiwan, this bawang, we call many places different kind of flavor, like Zhanghua bawang or Yuanlin bawang, or they all have a different flavor. And my hometown is Yuanlin, so I think I call it called the Yuanlin bawang. Okay, now the dough is getting ready. Then I chopping them to the 18. Okay, I was to say 20, but I don't think because the Yuanlin bawang is a little bit bigger. Okay, so the Beidou bawang is a smaller one, but I think for the Yuanlin bawang you need a little bit big. Now you just put the filling in. It's a lot easier than the traditional way, huh? Because this dough is so easy to control it. Look, so I think this is the clever way. Okay, so I'm very happy. And also, if sometimes you feel like a little bit broken, you just need to do like that, and they always can mix up together, no problem. Yeah. And just make it everywhere, have a shining and close. Yeah, and on here, this one down. 它的可塑性比面粉团还要好哈，所以你也不用担心说等一下蒸的时候它会开的，不会，你只要把它每一个地方那个面都有合起来的话，它就保证是可以蒸起来的时候是会很光滑的，不会有裂开的感觉。Yeah. 这样子很快哈，动作要有一点点迅速，不然它会粘在你的手上。Yeah. Gotta have a boil your water in, right? And you put your bawang in and cover on. Mid fire 15 minutes, okay? But you always gotta watch your water, huh? Don't let them get in dry. Okay, now I gotta make some sauce to serve us. Most ketchup, okay? And this 甜辣酱。
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Yeah, that's Taiwanese
My
style.
one is.
They're not very spicy, and a little bit oyster sauce. Don't make too much. And I just boil water, make it mix together very good. Exciting. After 15 minutes later, gotta come to check, yeah? So, gotta close the fire, then this. Whew. Nice. Wow, looks so good and shiny, yeah? I know it doesn't like the in the shop one is perfect, but you know, you make your own, then it's a 营养、健康、卫生、好吃. Now I gotta take one out to taste. That is quite important. Yeah. Ooh, hot. Okay. And in the traditional Taiwanese way, you gotta chop them, then little bit sauce on top. Yeah, more. I like this sauce because. Oh, also for me, I like squeeze a little bit lemon in. If you like lemon like me, then that would be good. And that is the coriander on top. That's it. That is my 1人霸丸 traditional Taiwanese meatball. Okay, 霸丸. I love this. I think many Taiwanese all like this. Then I make this for my grandkids. They just go out to play later, come back. So but I can have a little bit taste the feeding first. Oh, special it is. 好，皮很 Q 哈，里面的肉，你看，很好吃 ，tastes so good，真的比街上买的还好吃，然后你知道更卫生哈，自己做的，所以。So if you like my recipe, don't forget always give me a thumb up, and I'm happy to see everyone again. And later, maybe if you got time, I would happy to bring you more recipe. Okay, and thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.